新闻头继续来关心到，回答的执行长黄仁勋将对中东坐专机登来到台湾，除了下暗要做双北世总运的开幕仪式盛会代表，上主要就是后礼拜台北电脑展，伊要来发表主题演说，也有公布回答伫台湾的总部到底要设伫倒位，受到各界关注。昨暗以后先请台积电的董事长魏德嘉等等的高层同齐食饭。
My first night in Taipei is always dinner with CC. And tonight we had a wonderful dinner with my management team and CC's management team. And we had a wonderful night.
回答执行长黄仁勋来台了，第暗就是请台积电高层食饭。餐厅外口也客满被众，想要签名，黄仁勋也拢无拒绝。被问到是毋是讨论美国关税，为特家摇头公布。不过对台积电的报价，黄仁勋安尼讲。
TSMC's pricing is consistent and fair for everyone. And so I like that because it is consistent and fair for everyone. And so the technology necessary to build the fabs and also the 2-nanometer process and beyond is incredibly expensive and incredibly hard. And so whatever is the price, so long as it's consistent and fair, that's the price.
It's not expensive.
Do you believe in Trump?
It's very worthwhile.
黄仁勋即摆来台湾行程访问，今日除了拜会台积电创办人张忠谋以外，还佫担任世总会开幕式科技盛会代表。另外，佫较重要是伫下礼拜台北电脑展发表主题演讲。
There's so many smart companies here. There's so many innovative and spirited companies. I fully expect Taiwan to continue to thrive. You know, before, after, throughout.
被问到回答台湾总部会伫什么所在，黄仁勋讲全台各地拢是选择，无说明，毋过无排除下礼拜公布。北树科的 T17甲 T18差不多5公顷伫北投甲树林交界，附近上款有北投甲天母生活圈，附近的科技总部边的 T16就是金金宝集团总部，有产业走路优势。
它在这边设置了所谓的企业总部的话，可能会包含了一些亚太的方面的营运仓储，离松山机场也不算远。
新光金要14发动信，新光人寿董事会已经决议资产处分，佮传出双方伫去年初已经初步接触，因为北树科有捷运交通优势，甲电力供应这优点，符合黄仁勋5万员工伫台北市上班理念互相相关。不过最后定案，依然爱当黄仁勋本人来讲。记者综合报道。